How to log into Synchrony Bank Savings Account. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now type in Synchrony Savings Account login and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, Synchrony Bank, open it. With that, you will land to the official website of Synchrony Bank. You'll see the option of sign in over here, click on it. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Select the first one option, click here to sign into your Synchrony Savings Account, open it. From this page, you can easily log into your account. Firstly, you'll need to type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you want to remember username, you can check in for this option. Once you fill this, you can click on the option of sign in. But in the case you have forgotten your username or password and want to recover it, you can click on these options. Once you fill this, click on the option sign in, and with that you will be logged into your Synchrony Bank saving account. So this is how you can easily log into Synchrony Bank saving account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.